October 21st, Libra, Scorpio cusp, not a Gemini. The last post was my ass crack, but really up close. I was just going to leave you to your imagination, but that's my butt. Enjoy. I've been talking less on live because I don't like the way that my voice sounds when I speak. So I'm not going to talk that much. I see all the stuff that you guys recorded me when I'm on here, so I'm just not going to overdo it. It's fucking cringe. Oh. Hold on. To the person who said, why are you holding your arm like that? Do you mean when I go like this? Because I need the accuracy to go like that. So I changed it up and I went like this so that you wouldn't say anything, but it's too late now. You've already seen it. This is fine. I feel like this is I feel like it's completely fine. If I do it like this, what's wrong with that? I refuse to see what is strange about this. What's wrong? There's nothing wrong with me holding my arm like that. Ow, fuck. What the fuck you mean it's dramatic? How? What the fuck do you mean that it's dramatic? How is it dramatic? Why does it matter where my elbow is? I see nothing wrong with it. Okay, it's a little weird. It's a little bit weird. But like, I've been doing it my whole life. So what does that mean? What does that say about me? I don't know. It's not uncomfortable. I'm trying to get in there, so I put it up like this. I could go like this, but this feels so awkward. Look, it's just going up. I'm not even doing it. It's just going up. And then when I come down, it's like this. Well, I can't help it. I'm trying to get up in a special angle. I fucking hate you guys. Don't look at me. Don't speak to me. And if you have a phobia of people gagging, don't watch this. Leave now. If you have a phobia of people gagging, leave now. Don't watch this. Oh my. What? It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was not supposed to be like that. Much more happened than I expected. been brushing for like 5 minutes. Relax. And I'm done. I got my teeth and my tongue done in 5 minutes. And what is wrong with brushing your teeth for too long? What you mean, too long? The fuck? Hi.